If you want to hard reset your OnePlus 15 by using the recovery mode, then first of all, of course, we need to go to the recovery mode. And to do so, we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. And in here, we're gonna slide it down to power off the phone. We need to wait for the vibration, which indicates that the phone is completely off. And afterwards, we're gonna use the power button and volume down button. And we need to press and hold both of these buttons. And we need to keep holding until we are in the recovery mode. So once you see the OnePlus logo, you still want to hold it until we have the language selection for the recovery mode. There we go. And in this case, let's actually go back because I've chosen the wrong language by accident. First, we have the language selection, as I mentioned. So in here, we can choose English. So let's go ahead and do so. There we go. And now in here, we have the format data option. So if you select it, then you have to enter the code that we have over here, and you should be able to perform the hard reset. In the recovery mode, you can also use volume up and down buttons in order to navigate in here and confirm your choice by using the power button. So in case you cannot use the screen, then of course you can do that, although you have to use the screen to enter the verification code. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.